Heavenly Fire, and budding. Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to another One Piece video on the channel. I am Dad of Cheems, and today I have something a little unusual. So I was able to get my hands on a full box of double packs. So there are 8 double packs in here, so a total 16 boosters and 8 of the special Dawn. So hopefully we can get that last special Dawn. Okay, so here we go. Open this bad boy up. Again, I would love to support the local LGS, but when you're charging twice the amount for one of these, you gotta go elsewhere. Anyway, so here we go. 8 boxes. So hopefully, we will get the one Dawn that I'm missing and get some super sweet pulls in the process. There we go. I don't know, should I do these one at a time or should I just go whole hog and just get them all going? I'm gonna go whole hog, so just stick with me. I'll get all these things open. All right, folks, we got them all open. So just a reminder, there are 16 booster packs. There are 8 of the special Dawn, and we are going to let fate decide using the lovely MetaZoom coin. See if we're going to start with the left or the right first. So cryptid would be the left, the back would be the right. And cryptid it is. So we'll start with this side. Now, just a reminder, this is Kingdoms of Intrigue. This is One Piece OPO4. And Kashi, let's see, Rabion, Dillinger, Sanji, Dakota, Don Quixote family, Trafalgar Law, Randolph, Mr. Four Babe, Suleiman, Koza, Charlotte Amande, and Shaka. I'm going to be super depressed if we open up the Dawn and it's all the same one I've gotten thus far. So Banana Gator, Hanger, this still weirds me out for some reason. Orlumbus, Charlotte Baravius, Playgrounds, Yokozuna, Barrier, Sasaki, Diabla Jambe, Joe Shot, Iceberg, Rebecca, and Sugar. Hope that your day is going fantastic. Mine's not been too bad. Ipamatsu, Banana Gator, Charlotte Baravius, Roki, Viola, Miss Merry Christmas, Monkey D. Luffy, Muckvice, Isho, Frankie, and Ulti. Now just a reminder that these do every once in a while hit with the alt arts. So it is possible to get the manga Sabo. So Chinjiao, Tony Chopper, Gila, Hanger, Otama, Coliseum, Opus, this guy, Dragon Twister Demolition Breath, Mr. 3, Treble, and holy crap, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay. That's just a super rare. But holy cow, that thing is beautiful. Almost looks like a textured foil. Probably is textured foil. That's absolutely a delicious hit. All right, let's let the good times roll. Tom, Pamatsu, Kero, Mr. 13, Miss Friday, Naomi, Tonoyashu, Monkey D. Luffy, Muckvice, Crocodile, Trable. There is King, and the alternate Dawn from the normal box. I think I'm getting pretty close to having 10, so that's exciting. All right. Rebian, Giola, Jinjiao, Kung Fu, Coliseum, Miss Merry Christmas, Viola, this guy, Dragon Twister Demolition Breath, Mr. 3, Kinemon, and lovely, got VV. I don't know if these, I think this is the secret rare actually. Wonder if that's what this one is. I can't really, let's see, getting into the light. No, that's just super rare. Okay, moving on down to our last 2 packs on the left side. Been getting some juicy hits on this one. So Kung Fu Dungeon, it's Black Maria, Giola, Barrier, Apis, Happiness Punch, Tonoyasu, Mr. 3, this guy, Super Spot Build, Duck Troops, Rebecca, and oh, nice, Monkey D. Luffy. The hits just keep on coming. I'm actually going to run out of sleeves. Last pack on the left side. So, Banana Gator, Orlumbus, Kato, Viola, Playgrounds, to Froggled Wall. Just screwed that one up majorly. Jack, Shot, VV, Miss Valentine, and Bad Manners Kick Course. And another one of the Dawn cards from the booster box. So pretty juicy hits on the left-hand side here. So let's go to the right. Let's hope our luck continues. Daddy Masterson, Orlumbus, Kung Fu Jugen, Otama, Coliseum, Apis, Naomi, Nespalm Cannon, Gats, Rebecca, Heavenly Fire, and Kairos. Nice. I actually think I needed another one of those for my Rebecca deck. Continuing on, let the good times roll. Matsu, Banana Gator, Charlotte, Tina Yasu, Don Quixote Family, Playgrounds, Ideo, Super Spot Bill, Duck Troops, Jack, Hira, Bad Manners, Kick Course, and nice Don Quixote, Don Flamenco. All right, I literally am down to like the last sleeve. One Piece has so many good cards, it's hard to keep up. Jinjiao, Tony Chopper, Yola, Gun, Mr. 13, Law, Weakness is an Unforgivable Sin, Flapping Thread, Mr. 4, Iso, Diamante, and Cavendish. All right. Anger, Omeo, Dillinger, Rabion, Happiness Punch, Charlotte, Peter Spiro, Bear, Cinnamon, Koza, Sasaki, Woolen, and holy crapola, alt art, Crocodile. Juiciness with this just continues, folks. That is gorgeous. And that's the crocodile character, not the crocodile leader. So super happy about that. Rabion, Ipamatsu, Ice Oni, Charlotte, Gun, Miss Merry Christmas, Ideo, Mock Vice, Mr. 2, Leo, Capone, and Kairos. Awesome. We are down to our last 3 packs. Well, at this point, even if I weren't to get the other Dawn card that you can get off these double packs, that more than makes up for it. So, not going to complain too much. Or I might complain a lot. I'm not exactly sure. We'll see. 2 packs left. Orlumbus, Charlotte, Tom, Ipamatsu, Cobra, Peter Spiro, Don Quixote Family, another Charlotte, Leo, Enchanting Vertigo Dance, Heavenly Fire, and Budding. Holy cow, can you believe that? Got a second alt art. Wow. Talk about lucky. And the final pack. This box of these double packs has been absolute fire. Just crazy. All right, Dellinger, Sanji, Banana Gator, Hanger, Tama, Ideo, Apis, Dragon Twister, Demolition Breath, Mr. 3, Eric, Bart, and Mr. Who's Who. It's actually just Who's Who, not Mr. All right, folks. That was absolutely nuts. 2 different alt arts and then that gorgeous card. All right, so let's hop into the special Dawn packs. There are 8 of these as a reminder. And starting off with the one that we already have a couple of copies of. Absolute fire. Second pack. So of all these that I've opened, I think this is number 6. All 6 of them have been the same one. And thank goodness this one is the other one. So I have completed the special Dawn. All this just to get that. Oh, nice. So just a reminder, these double packs, couple of the LGSs in the area, they do carry them. One of them charges over $20 for them. The other one's charges $15, which is reasonable considering the fact that these I think retail for $9.99 is the MSRP. Oh geez. So I was lucky enough to get a full box of these at $80, and that included the shipping, so I got super lucky on that. So be sure to, if you haven't seen these, go through and check your local game store, check online. I at one point found these at the local Super Target. I only found it at one Super Target, and they have not had it since. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There are the two Dawn that are only available in the double packs. We got a couple of super rares with these. So we got that one, then we got this guy, and then we got the one secret rare. And then we've got the Don Quixote del Flamingo super rare, and then two alt arts off of this. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, this was fantastic. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, have a pleasant rest of your day.